We're looking at a brand new Honeywell CK67 in the box still, and it's pistol grip accessory. So we will unbox this so you can see what this experience is like. So this is the Honeywell CK67 with the alphanumeric keypad and the flex range scan engine. In the box there's some sort of cable here, we'll take a look at that in a second, and a battery, of course. These scanners always ship with a battery, so we'll set that aside. So first, let's just remove the battery. This just comes out of its package like this. There was a protective cover for the display and that just got removed. So we'll flip this over. Many of you will probably not use the hand strap, but instead use a pistol grip, which we will install here in a moment. So to remove this, first you start at the bottom end. That's just held on by tension. And then we'll push up on the bottom of this right here. That's also, well, it snaps in. So we just snap it out like that. You'll see there's a SD card here in the battery well, as well as the manufacturer part number and the serial number. So we'll put that in like that. You see there's a camera back here. Now let's unbox the pistol grip. So the pistol grip comes in this bubble wrap, but so does the 4 screws that will attach to these 4 points here. So make sure you grab these screws out of this bag and don't throw that away. Otherwise you'll be making a trip to the hardware store and having a hard time matching those up. So that just attaches like this. And in the sake of time, I'm not going to actually show you screwing these together, but instead I'll just pull another scanner on screen that we'd already done this task with. One of the nice features about the pistol grip is there's a stylus in the bottom, held in by tension, so it's nice and secure. But otherwise, it's a pretty nice looking scanner. You can see there's a scan button here. Of course, the trigger on the other side of the scanner, as well as here in the middle. So if you're holding it like this, you can scan it. If you're using the hand strap instead of the pistol grips, you can use those. So it's nice to have those options. Overall, the fit and finish looks pretty good. It's this gray, black, and red that I think gives it a nice modern industrial look. Bigger display versus the previous model, the CK65. Ergonomics are really good. I would have no problem using this all day. I think the weight of it is really good. If you're using a glove, I think it would also be fine. So looking at the device, there's a USB-C connector there. That's kind of nice to have that as an option now. On the bottom you have the traditional connector for intermech docks and their direct connect cable, but most people would probably just use a USB-C cable now. Let's take a look at this cable that's in the box. Not really sure what this is yet. Haven't seen this before. Okay, so it's a USB-C on both ends. And that's pretty nice. One's got the right angle connector, so you could see this, sitting on your desk, and probably transferring files this way, doing some troubleshooting, whatever it might be. Yeah, overall looks pretty good.